Two more fine examples of Royal Crown Derby Unfinished Imari in the classic cobalt blue and white. Quite basic design, isn't it? The blocks here, no fine printing on this. This is the sort of undercoat, if you like, that they used in the cobalt blue before they started putting the fine top coat printings of transfer design that is so classic in that Imari. But these are the saucers in the cobalt blue and white, unmarked as you would expect. They are in fine condition on the glaze on the surface. That one, as you can see, lovely and clean with a clean reflection. Same with this one, central saucer well. All the measurements will be on the website listing. This one's completely clean on the underside. I did notice on this it's got a little bit of a moulding imperfection and a glaze just there. You see that one? But that is probably going to remove if we scratch it hard enough. Maybe not. Maybe it is glaze and not paint that somebody's had it on a shelf. Quite often we see things like this and we think, oh, somebody's just been decorating around it and left paint on. But that actually is a mark in the base of that one. So we've got two. The first one to go will be the perfect one, and coming in, if there's only one left on catalogue, then it will be this one with that little glazing imperfection on the underside. Price will reflect that. They're not finished pieces, but they are collected by Royal Crown Derby enthusiasts, and it's a very striking trio. We do have one available. We've also got side plates. We're selling these as replacements or spares for breakages or additions to collections. Link below will take you through to the website listing. Thanks for watching.